Hey guys, welcome back to Jordan Samuel's Skin Talks. I just realized I'm filming a bunch of these videos all at once because it's just easier that way. And it's sunny and beautiful in Seattle today, and so both of my cats are asleep in the sun, so they're not making noise and are interrupting the video, which they're never interrupting, they're just adding entertainment, but I'm not gonna bother them because they're asleep. Moving on. So product 2 in our, I shouldn't even say that because you know I'll upload these all out of order and then I'll set product 2 and I won't edit this out and then I'll just look like a Looney Tune. Hydrate. You know, I'm gonna do my thing, which there's no point in doing it. Hydrate Facial Serum. So just like I said, or say on my website about water and hydration, keeping dancers' muscles in perfect working order, the skin is the same way. And a lot of times, especially when the facial oil craze, which I love, but started coming out, a lot of people were forgetting about their hydrators and their humectants. So this was very important, and I wanted something straightforward. I didn't want to go into like 60 different things, and you know, you could take this, sort of half it, and put like some specific things in, which would create a great product, no doubt about it. I did just want something that was a little bit more multifunctional, easy to use, and that most people can use. So with that being said, no fragrance, no essential oils. I was gonna say no aromatic extracts, and there really aren't. Sometimes if the cucumber, which is essentially cucumber hydrosol, is potent, it does have a cucumbery aroma, but we sort of have toned that back a bit. Anyway, Hydrate. It's a great booster, it's a great serum. For an oily skin type, it's a great gel moisturizer. I use that term moisturizer loosely. It's a great gel treatment product, end all be all. But the base, as you know, is organic aloe, organic vegetable glycerin, hyaluronic acid. There's a touch of vitamin C. Something that I want to be very clear about is that this is not a vitamin C serum. Probably my number one most asked question is, how much vitamin C is in here? Can I replace this as my vitamin C serum? No, I'm just not even gonna, it's not a vitamin C serum. It happens, there is vitamin C and there's a light antioxidant, but this is not a vitamin C serum. No way, no how, no. Just know that. There's also cucumber, tamarind, and passion flower. So more humectant, more soothing, more hydration for the skin. There is a hexapeptide, again, water binding to the skin, texturizer, xanthan, and then, you know, people always talk too about gluconolactone. While it is a PHA and exfoliating agent, it is used in here as a preservative. It is in the percentage as a preservative, it is mixed with sodium benzoate as a preservative, it is a full spectrum preservative with the sodium benzoate. It is not a PHA exfoliant in here. So clarifying that. Different ingredients can be used in very different ways. No. The same ingredient can be used in very different ways depending on the percentage. Same thing with willow bark. It's just a little touch in there, add it more as preservative, not in here as like a salicylic acid exfoliator, just so you know that. With that being said, so I use this, of course, every single day, AM and PM, cleanse. Usually I'll do Hydrate Mist or just go right in with this guy. Face, eye, neck. It's lovely as a booster. If you saw my video previously, you would have seen me mixing it with Aftershow Treatment Cleanser to just up the hydration levels. You can mix it directly with a toile with retinol or directly with a toile to create this sort of almost moisturizer type product without emulsifiers. Because literally a moisturizer is usually oils and humectants, waters, hyaluronic acid, aloe, glycerin, your plant oils, and you have an emulsifier to bind the two. Of course, there are other things, extracts, acids, etc. I didn't mean acids, but I did mean acids, but actives, not acids. But for instance, if you're combining a toile with retinol and Hydrate, you're coming up with an active, you know, fatty acids, plant oils, extracts, humectants, sort of a moisturizer without emulsifiers. Lovely. So your skin doesn't really need emulsifiers anyway. Yay, win-win. Also, same thing with performance cream. Put a little bit of performance cream in your hand, 1 to 2 drops of Hydrate directly into the performance cream, massage it on. I'll show that a little bit more in detail when I talk about the performance cream in a video coming up. Super easy, super simple, super straightforward. You can't really overdo this. you'll sort of end up building up a little bit of a layer, you know, which might pill a little bit on the skin. But the aloe, the glycerin, the hyaluronic acid, the cucumber, the tamarind, the passion flower, it's not an occlusive product. So if you're putting it on and on and on, you just like to layer it and it feels really good, it's not going to be overdoing it, over lubricating the skin, creating any type of congestion or anything. I love it. I love it as you guys do too. It is our #1 bestseller. As a serum, lovely. As a booster mixed into A12 retinol, mixed into the performance cream, lovely. As a booster mixed into the cleanser, as the cleanser as lovely. As the cleanser as a mask, lovely. You get the point. It's just great and straightforward. And really, it's for every skin type. If you're normal, lovely. Dehydrated, of course. Oily, of course. Usually oily skin types are the most dehydrated because they've been using heavily foaming, surfactant-rich, dehydrating cleansers and astringent toners, and they have that surface dehydration. That is where this would come in. Dry skin, great booster for dry skin. Sensitive skin, again, because there are no essential oils or aromatic extracts or fragrance, lovely, lovely, lovely. Again, with anything, if you are allergic to something in the product, then you can't use it, regardless of skin condition or skin type. But at face value, lovely for everybody. It's just a nice like hug for your skin. That was sort of a weird thing, but maybe it is. I feel like that's a good description of it. Anyway, you guys, Hydrate, you love it, I love it, we all love it. Let me know fun ways you use Hydrate down below, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the black JS circle down below so we can stay in contact and keep talking. To watch more videos, you can click on the link here, or possibly here. Thanks for watching. Bye.